Want to know about a secret retirement treasure that the IRS actually wants you to use? It's called an HSA. Stick around, this could save you thousands of dollars and give you peace of mind in retirement. Hi friends, welcome back. If you're retired, about to retire, or just planning ahead, today's video is packed with information you'll love. We're talking about health savings accounts, HSAs. Most people think HSAs are only for doctor bills, but in reality, they can be a powerful retirement tool. By the end of this video, you'll understand why HSAs are sometimes called triple tax winners, how to use them to pay for medical expenses in retirement, how to avoid common mistakes, and why this account could be one of the best gifts you give your future self. Let's start with the basics. An HSA is a special savings account designed for people with high deductible health plans. But what makes it so powerful is the triple tax advantage. Money you put in is tax deductible or pre-tax if through your paycheck. The money grows tax-free, and you can take the money out tax-free as long as it's used for qualified medical expenses. That's a tax break going in while it grows and coming out. Very few accounts give you all three. Here's the reality: medical expenses in retirement can be huge. Between deductibles, copays, prescriptions, dental, vision, and hearing aids, the bills add up. Studies show a 65-year-old couple may need well over $300,000 just for healthcare throughout retirement. If you have a healthy HSA, you've already set aside tax-free money to help cover those costs without draining your regular savings. Now, there are a few rules you should know. To contribute, you must be enrolled in a high-deductible health plan. You can contribute until you sign up for Medicare. After that, you can keep using your HSA, but you can't add new money. Contribution limits change each year, and for people 55 or older, there's a catch-up contribution that lets you put in extra. So how do you use HSAs wisely? Here are some smart strategies. Don't rush to spend it. If you can, pay small medical bills out of pocket, and let your HSA balance grow and invest tax-free. Save every receipt. Even if you paid a bill years ago, you can reimburse yourself later from your HSA tax-free. After 65, the rules relax. You can use HSA funds for Medicare premiums, like Part B, Part D, and Medicare Advantage, and other medical costs. That's still tax-free. For non-medical withdrawals after 65, you'll just pay income tax, no penalties. That makes your HSA act a lot like a traditional IRA if you need it. What should you avoid? Using HSA funds for non-medical expenses before 65. That triggers a 20% penalty plus taxes. Forgetting to keep receipts, the IRS can ask for proof. And without receipts, you could owe taxes. Contributing when your insurance doesn't qualify as a high-deductible plan. That cancels the benefits. Let's look at a simple example. Meet Jane, age 60. She still works, has a high-deductible plan, and puts the max into her HSA each year. Instead of spending her HSA money now, she pays her small doctor bills out of regular savings. Her HSA grows tax-free. By the time Jane turns 65, she has a solid HSA balance. She uses it to pay Medicare premiums and dental costs. No taxes, no stress, and if she ever needs to use the money for something else, she can. She'll just pay regular income tax, like with an IRA. So here are some tips for success. Start contributing as early as you can. Even small amounts compound. If you're 55 or older, don't miss the catch-up contribution. That's extra tax-free savings each year. And use your HSA as part of your overall retirement plan. Think of it as your personal healthcare piggy bank. Let's recap. HSAs give you 3 tax breaks in one. They're perfect for medical expenses in retirement. After 65, you can use them even more flexibly. But you have to follow the rules and keep good records. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's thinking about retirement. And I'd love to hear from you. Do you already have an HSA? Or is this the first time you're hearing about it? Leave a comment below, and let's talk about it. Thanks for watching, and remember it's never too late to plan smartly for your retirement health and wealth.